Student A. Hi Maria. It is great to say. How are you? Student B. Hi Juan. I'm great. Thanks. Let's start. Juan. What do you do on weekdays? Student A. When on weekdays, wake up 6 a.m. I have a small breakfast and then I go to my classes. I study engineering. When do you study or work, Maria? Student B. I work for Monday to Friday and office in the morning. I checking emails and then meet waiting. Juan, what do you do on weekends? Student A. On weekend, I relax with my family. My sister is a chef, so we eat lunch lunch toward Sunday. And what do you do on weekends, Maria? Student B. On Saturday, I clean my apartment and then I visited my parents. On Sundays, I usually rest. Tell me, what do you like doing in your free time? Student A. I love playing soccer with my friends and I like reading books, but I hate getting up early on Sunday. What do you like or dislike doing? Student B. I like taking photos in the park and I love listening to music. However, dislike doing laundry. Student A. Speaking of music, what kind of music do you like? Student B. I love rock music and I like pop music. My favorite band is Red Hot Chili Peppers. What is your favorite king of music? Student A. My favorite kind of music is salsa. I love dancing music. Salsa on Saturday night. Now, let's talk about food. Do you like pasta? Student B. Yes, I love pasta. It is delicious, but I dislike fast food, like hamburgers. What kind of food do you like or hate? Student A. I like Peruvian food like ceviche. I hate eating spicy food because it hurts my stomach.